In this video, we'll show you how to replace the front sway bar link on your Ford Edge. This is located in the front of the vehicle and behind the wheel. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we can remove the lug nuts with a 21mm. And we can go ahead and remove the wheel. I'm going to use a set of locking pliers on the back side of the sway bar link. Get a small collar on the back side and just clamp onto that. We can remove the nuts for the sway bar link with a 19mm. To get the lower part of the sway bar link off, I'm just going to pull the sway bar link off of its ball. I'm going to hold the stud from the back side with some locking pliers. And get the lower part of the sway bar link onto the sway bar. We'll get the nut started on. These sway bar links have flats on the backside, so we can use an 18mm wrench to hold the backside. We'll go ahead and snug that down. We can get the sway bar lined up and into the strut. We can get the bracket for the ABS wire back on. Get the nut started on. And hold the collar on the back side. And we'll snug that down. And we can torque this to 85 foot-pounds. We can get the grommet for the ABS wire back in place. Getting a torque wrench on the lower portion of the sway bar link can be a little bit difficult. If you can't get one in there, that's okay. Just tighten it to the best of your abilities. If you can get a torque wrench back here, torque this one to 85 foot-pounds. We'll reinstall the wheel. And we can line up the lug studs with the holes in the wheel. I'm going to press in down at the bottom of the wheel, and we can install the lug nuts. I like to thread the first one all the way in, and that'll help hold the wheel in while I put the other lug nuts on. And we'll snug those down in a star pattern. With the vehicle on the ground, we can go ahead and torque these to 162 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Take the vehicle for a test drive and make sure you don't hear any abnormal noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.